Was, you see what had happened was, man, I robbed that nigga Perk, man. Robbed that nigga Perk, man. Hey. And I robbed your ass too, Bizzle. Both of y'all niggas robbed. And I'm finna rob Black and B, and I'm gonna rob Miss nigga, I'll rob my own grandpa, nigga.
Grimy.
I'll rob my own grandpa, nigga. Throw another seed at me, I'm gonna plant your ass. I ain't playing, nigga.
Fuck all y'all.
Perk taking 3 years to roll up one blunt. Don't worry, we'll wait. Don't worry, we'll wait.
Minutes to go.
I have one twisted up and all this shit.
Y'all didn't see it.
Before you even finish breaking down the blunt.
Bizzle more, Bizzle more, Bizzle more. Black Lord, Bizzle more, Perk blood.
Where the fuck is switching?
Yes.
Where the fuck is switching?
Damn.
Where the fuck is switching?
Right there, under that thing. Right. Look up in the depot, camping in the depot.
Whoa, back to being done with life. Fuck your wife, and I snatch her knife. Damn, that she had under the pillow. She ain't wanna fuck you no more, so she killed you.
Get 'em.
And started fucking me. Menace to society. It's a thin line between love and hate, and it's a thin line between real and fake. And I'm real and you on the other side in the YouTube land. Give me my Benz, or I'm coming with my mans.